Hello friends, welcome back to another good video. Today I'm going to discuss a program or rather a C program to convert a decimal number into a binary number. So many of my friends are having problem regarding this topic. So today I'm going to solve the issue. So let's see the logic how it will be happening. So at first, before executing a program in a compiler, we have to or we should dry run the program. So why should I or why should we have to dry run the program at first? Because it will help to understand how the program is working, or it will also help you to find out errors. So we have to dry run the program at first. So let's dry run the program and let us understand the logic how it is happening. So decimal to binary. Okay, so let's start with the header files. Hash include stdio.h int main. Now we have to take 5 variables: a, then I, then binary, then place, and at last we have to take r. Instead of ai or binary, you can also put any kind of name, but you have to keep in mind that it should match the criteria of a variable name. So at first I'm taking the decimal value from the user. Printf enter a decimal number scan f %d %a. Then we have to run or we have to implement a for loop inside the program, or you can use any kind of loop. I am using for loop because it is easy or little bit easy to understand. So let's initialize the value of I as a and a greater than 0, a equals to a by 2. Okay, so I am here um, initializing the value of I as a, and a is greater than 0 and a equals to a by 2. This is the increment and decrement portion. Why am I writing the this thing like this, or a equals to a by 2? It means, suppose while converting a decimal number into a binary number, we know that for in digital electronics, if suppose a number is 6, if a decimal number is 6, then we have to divide it by 2, then and it is the quotient, and it is the remainder. 0 is the remainder and 3 is the quotient. So we again have to divide it by 2, and we will find the quotient as 1 and the remainder as 1. So if we find that the quotient is coming as 0, okay, if the quotient is coming as 0, then the program or the condition will be false, and we will be coming out, or we will be get out from the loop. So this condition is written here, and as we are dividing the number by 2, so I have written a equals to a by 2. If you guys have done the program to reverse a number, suppose 1 2 3 is given and you have to reverse the number like 3 to 1, then there we put 10 instead of 2. So the this is also similar like this, and r is the remainder, and a modulus 2. Okay, why a modulus 2? Because here we have to find or calculate the remainder. Okay, I said that the 3 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder, so R will calculate the remainder here, and now we have to take another variable named binary. It will calculate the binary value. Okay, so binary equals to binary plus place into r. R is the remainder here, and the next line will be place equals to place into 10, and I am finishing the loop here, and at last printf percentage d is the number in binary. Okay, so let's print the value of binary, then return 0. So now I'm going to tell the logic again. At first I'm initializing the value I equals to a, then a greater than 0. This is the condition, and this is the increment or decrement portion, and r equals to a modulus 2. It means it will calculate the remainder. Okay, and binary equals to binary plus place into r, and now we have to modify the program. The value of binary will be 0 at first. Okay, and the value of place should be 1. Okay, so uh, here I'm doing rough. If we take the example of 6, then it is calculating the modulus. It means r equals to 0 here, and binary equals to binary plus place into r. Okay, so binary equals to 0 plus 1 into 0 means 0, and place equals to 1 into 10. It means what? 10. So at first the binary value is 10. Okay, let's calculate the next stage. Now the quotient value is 1 and the remainder value is also 1. Okay, as here it is calculating the quotient value, and so it will calculate the remainder of 3. Okay, so 1 binary equals to um, 0 plus 1 into 1 means 1, and place equals to 10 into 10. Okay, sorry, the initial value of place was 10, so 10 into 1 means 10. Okay, so now let's calculate the next stage. So after that, the value of binary is 10 and the place value is 10 into 10, it means 100. So now it will again do the division here. Okay, so r will be 1 and binary equals to 10 plus 100 into 1. So place value will be 100 into 10, it means 1000. Okay, so here the binary value is 100 into 1 means 100 and 110. So after that, when the program will divide 2 by 1, then it will find that it is not getting the quotient as 1 or 1. So if the quotient is not 1, then it will the for loop will stop there. So after that, we will find that 110 is getting displayed. So that is how the whole program is working. So now let's run the program in a compiler to make sure that the logic is correct. So let's name the variables I, A. The initial value of binary will be 0. The initial value of place will be 1, and at last the variable name should be r. R means remainder. Printf. Now I'm scanning the value, or rather taking the value from the user. Enter a decimal number scanf %d ampersand a. I'm starting the for loop here. I equals to a greater than 0, a equals to a by 2. Let's put a second bracket here. Now the program will calculate the remainder. So r equals to a modulus 2, then binary equals to binary plus place into r, or remainder, then at last place equals to place into 10, and the for loop will end here, and at last we have to print the value of binary. So %d is the number in binary. So let's print the value of binary. Okay, so now let's run the program. So I'm putting 6 here, so you can see that the program is correct, or rather the logic is correct. Let's check with another variable. I'm taking 13, so the binary value of 13 is 1101. So our logic is correct. So I hope you have understood the logic. If you have doubts regarding this topic, then you can comment it in the comment box. I'm finishing the video here. Stay tuned for the next video. Goodbye, take care.